E-cigarettes are the alternative a lot of smokers choose when they don't want to smoke cigarettes. Until the FDA lays out firm regulations, public health officials remain skeptical, especially after a recent report showing North Dakota high schoolers are turning to e-cigs twice as much as regular cigarettes. Valley News Team's Cornelius Hawker has our story.
The e-cig industry has exploded over the last 6 years or so.
That explosion has left the FDA lagging behind when it comes to regulating the e-cig industry, an industry that sees many smokers coming to them for a way to eventually kick the traditional cigarette habit.
The goal is to eventually weed your way down to a really low dose of nicotine or to nicotine-free.
Darius Enders is the owner of Sports Vape in Fargo. He says despite the lack of regulation, he has customers, even people in the healthcare field, that are saying e-cigarettes are a safer alternative to smoking traditional cigarettes.
One doctor told me that when they ask their patients if they're a smoker or a non-smoker, if they say they use an e-cigarette, they actually check non-smoker.
But Melissa Markegard, a tobacco prevention and control coordinator, says many others in the healthcare field aren't as quick to sign off on this emerging trend, especially with more youth using them.
The Youth Risk Behavior Survey just came out. The results in North Dakota just came out, and 22% of North Dakota high schoolers reported using e-cigarettes,
which is almost double the amount of high schoolers in North Dakota that said they use cigarettes. Markegard says this is alarming because it means some teenagers have decided, before the FDA has regulated, that e-cigs are safer than traditional cigarettes.
We want parents to be open and honest with their kids, and really it comes down to a drug. Nicotine is a drug, and it's an addictive drug, and we don't want kids to become addicted to this drug.
Cornelius Hawker, Valley News Live.
Enders and Markegard agree keeping e-cigarettes out of the hands of people under the age of 18 is important. Sports Vape actually stopped selling online because there's no way to verify age through